It begins with a single drop. Rain falls, collected in puddles, building up until it has to move. Gravity pulling the water down. It starts so small at first, eroding a path forward. Nature finds its way, charting the easiest route to become something larger, a part of the bigger picture, like roots extending from a tree, over every obstacle, around every corner until it reaches its destination, the Millstone River. The Millstone is a 14-kilometer river that runs from Brandon Lake to the city of Nanaimo's inner harbor. Rain and snow from Mount Benson during the winter months makes for spectacular viewing. Visitors can walk alongside the rushing water of the river as it rapidly crashes its way through the city's 36-hectare Bowen Park. Wider, stronger the water flows, stretching out as it reaches the heart of the park, one of Nanaimo's hidden gems, the Bowen Park Waterfall.